maybe a seafood tangia from the previous day, because previous day you have written already the cooking foodie. So hence you will write just a tangia couscous reheated. That's it.
I understand what you want to say.
Yes.
For me, I have just the portions. What I'm telling you,
You don't
before we used to have one pepper.
Yes.
Imagine how many items I am selling.
Even you cook reheating the like 10 or 15 or 20 items, you don't need to write all those reheating items. You just will put in the reheating record like 4 items or 5 items max to max.
If in traceability something happened,
No,
Because
that's
you have already.
if something happened in
What
the
about
day
frozen?
which
No,
the
no,
item
yes.
you didn't
Meat,
write
meat,
there,
meat.
you are
Frozen.
saying 4 items, right?
Yes.
4 items.
4 or 5 items.
Imagine-
One more thing. The meat, this expiry date, this expiry
And
date.
you do
not buy this expiry date. He will defrosting.
This one is traceability. Forget about
Yeah,
this.
but this expiry date, this code,
this
both
page-
we need to match. This page.
But imagine when he's the
Wait,
first
wait,
thing.
wait, wait.